What's going on, folks? I want to show you how you will be changing out the motherboard on a ONN Roku TV. This happens to be a 55-inch one, but it's probably about the same for the other ones. The first thing you will have to do, pretty much, is take off the back of it to get to this back piece right here. And to do that, you'll have basically, I think, 7 screws to take out. You need like a Phillips head screwdriver. You'll have one here, one here, one here, one here, one right here, one here, and one here. So I have 7 screws you got to take out of it. They're pretty small screws, so make sure you kind of got somewhere to put them at as you get them out. So once you take those screws out of it, take a little screwdriver. Also, it will help for you to have some type of a magnetic screwdriver. That way, when you get done taking it out, when you're putting it back together, it'll be easier for you to get back down those holes. And also, like I said, make sure that your TV is unplugged. You never want to do this with your TV plugged up. So you will make sure it's unplugged, and make sure it's been unplugged for maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes or something like that, just to make sure there's no type of residual power that's going to it. But once you take out these screws, like I said, you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that you'll take out. Once you do that, you kind of want to pop off this back part like this will come off, and you'll be able to get to the back of it. I have a video up also that's going to be showing you how to remove your motherboard, just in case for whatever reason this goes, not your motherboard, but your power board, just in case this was to go bad, you wasn't getting power to your TV. But if your issue you believe is your motherboard itself, which is what this is right here. So to remove this right here, you got a few things you got to disconnect. First thing you want to do is come right here. I'm just squeezing down on this and unplugging this. That's unplugged. You want to come to this little piece right here, you'll see. And for this, what you want to do is a little black tip of it. You just want to take the finger, kind of pop it up. If you see how that popped up, it just popped up. And once I do that, I'm able to pull this piece out. Pull that out. And then you will come here to this piece. You just squeeze the back of it and just wiggle that unplug. Then you will come here to this. Same process. Squeeze that. Make sure you don't put a lot of pressure on the wires. That'll unplug. And then when you come to this big piece right here, it's kind of like this piece over here. So you see the little black piece? It's kind of get your finger up underneath it and kind of lift it up. You can see how that kind of came up, and once you do that, you can remove this piece. And once you have all that done, now you will be ready to actually remove your motherboard itself. And to do that, you'll have 2 screws to take out. You'll have one that's here. It'll look like this. You'll have one screw that's right in this spot right there. Well, that was just that. You'll see a hole right there, a screw. And you'll come out in this corner over here. All the way over here, you'll have another screw right down this corner that you want to remove. Just like that. And once you take that screw out of it, a lot of times you kind of wiggle this little piece right here. Sometimes it kind of just comes loose like that. It'll come off. And once you've done that, a lot of times you could just completely pull your motherboard out just like that. So now, yeah, you can pull your motherboard out just like that. So now what you want to do when you get another one, make sure that it's the same one that this one is. I don't know if you can see some of these numbers on here. But if you can't really see the numbers, you want to make sure that it says it's for ONN Roku 55-inch TV. Or definitely look at the configuration of your board to make sure that the one that you're getting looks exactly the same. So like I said, it's not too expensive to get one of these boards to put into your TV. So but this is how you would be removing your motherboard from out of a Roku ONN 55-inch TV pretty much. When you get the new one, it's just a reverse process. You want to come in, take it back. If you took something off like this, you kind of want to reposition that back into place. You want to stick it back down the holes. Make sure they're all lined up correctly. Go ahead and put your screws back into it. Then you would want to come back, take in these pieces like this. You know, take your time doing it. Make sure you're getting good connections. Then you want to push that little piece down like I just did. That's in there. You just want to come back and do the reverse process. Also, it will help that before you take everything off of it, to take a picture of things. take a picture of the way that things are connected on here. That way, when you're coming back to put it back together with your new board inside of it, pop this back up. Just kind of slide this piece back inside. I don't know if you can see me, but then I'm just popping that down on top of that. Make sure you get a good connection on everything. Like I said, you should have everything back in order. Like I said, go ahead and take you a picture before you disconnect everything. That way you will know where everything goes at when you're done. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would be changing out the motherboard on a ROKU TV. This happens to be a 55-inch, but it could be the same for multiple different years. Alright, quick tip. When you're putting this little piece right here back on here, if you look closely at this piece right here, it has like two little raised pieces at the bottom of it. So what you want to do is just grab the ends of this and go up underneath those two little metal pieces. See, like I'm doing right here, I went up underneath there. When I did that, it makes it a nice secure connection before you pop that back down. So like I said, you take it off, you pop that up, pull it out. When you're putting it back, you don't want to go on top of those two pieces. You want to go up underneath them, two little pieces, slide it all the way up. You'll feel it like kind of plug in, pop that down, and you're good. Alright, once again, this is how you'll be changing out the motherboard on a Roku 55-inch TV. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share it. Thanks.